Hi, for our fourth experiment, it is going to be basic router and switching configuration. And our main objective will be is to perform the basic switch and router configuration for the topology and also test the connectivity between all the devices through console and VTY line. So in order to do that, first I've placed a router and a PC, and I've connected through the console cable. So after doing that, after connecting the console cable, I'll be able to access the router from my system terminal. So as you can see, let me show you from scratch. So I just go click on the system, and I go into terminal, and I just give OK. And after giving OK, I just yeah, as you can see, I just enable it through the command en, and after that, for configuration, I just use the command conf cynft, and after that I just name a class host name called class, and I just going to the class host, and in that I'm setting up the vty0 line password as rout. So it's not doing it here. Yeah, I'm doing it here, and I'm just logging in, and I'm ending the session for once. So after doing that, I'll come back. Yeah, after doing that, I just place in another PC, and I just set the IP configuration randomly, like let's say 192.168.10.2, and the subnet will be generated according to that. And the gateway mask which I'm using, gateway default gateway which I'm using is 10.1. So I've set it up here manually, and after that I just come back to the terminal again. And now what I do is that I just for the see, as you can see, I just configure t to configure the PC, which is nothing but fa 0/0. As you can see on the line which is going, it's fa 0,0. And I just set the IP address and the gateway line and the subnet mask, and I'm choosing a no sh for no shutdown command. And after that, I've changed the state up. Okay. After that, I just exit, and I'm just enabling password. In order to make this PC get access from this router, I have to enable the password. So I just give the password as RFKJ, and yeah, as you can see, I just give the password as RFKJ, and RFKJ, and I'm running the configuration where, yeah, sh.run is nothing but it just shows the configurations of what I've done from the PC which was added in the last. So to check whether the router and switch configuration has been done successfully, all the work I did was from this part. Accessing the router was from PTPC5. So what I'll do now is I'll just go into PC6, and I'll just go into command prompt, and I just type telnet. I just use the command called yeah, let me show you. Um, yeah, I just use telnet, and initially the password was not set when I wanted to enable it. So I just set the password as ARKJ, and after that I was able to do the login successfully. And when I run the running configuration, I just get the, see, let me show you, control C, let me show you once again. So I just type the running configuration. So I can see the which was stored on the router. I was able to see from this PC itself, where the password is Arvind KJ, RF KJ, and it is enabled. And as you can see, I can see more. See, I can see the IP address and the subnet mask, and also I can see the sessions and their IP addresses, and I can even see the password for VTY line VTY0, and even the password for console, which is nothing but Cisco. For logging in, I just use the password Cisco, and for the line VTY0, I use the password RF. And as you can see, more, and it is ending after that. So I can actually um, retrieve all the information which is stored on the router from this PC itself. But the actual workflow was done here to set up the router and credentials and stuff. but now I'm able to use it from this PC, and thus I can say that the basic switch and route configuration for the system and the connectivity between the systems has been done successfully, and that is also through console line and VTY line. And yeah, this is the end of the experiment 4, which is nothing but basic router and switching configuration. Thank you.